decided to try making vegan eggnog, which sounds impossible. Eggnog without the egg. So basically, I'm making vegan nog. These are the mystical ingredients that I've decided to make my nog from. So I've got cashews, which we're going to soak. This, which is coconut milk, we're going to put it in the fridge and just use the cream. Nutmeg, which we're not going to look at how out of date it is. It seems to, I don't really like nutmeg, but apparently it's essential. Cinnamon, I've made some vanilla extract, we can use that. We need some milk to sort of bulk it out a bit, and some sugar. I'm just using brown sugar. If you were fancy, you could use coconut sugar, but I don't really like it, so I don't have any. So I'm going to do that. Let's get started. So we need 50 grams of these little cashew pieces. I don't bother with whole ones because we're just going to blend them, smash them up. Oh, hello cat. I'll let you out in a minute. Yeah, so 50 grams. And then once you've got those in a bowl, we're just going to add water and leave them to soak. We are back with soaked nuts. So I'm going to put them in. And then it's about 200 mils of the coconut almond milk. But I think it'd be quite nice if you had vanilla milk, because then you wouldn't have to pop in the vanilla. I don't know how much that was. We're going to call it about a teaspoon. A tiny dash of the cinnamon powder, and because they're whole nutmegs, I have to grate them. So I've got my little microplane, so it's just using a whole bit of nutmeg. I think that's enough because I don't really like that. And then I think we'll put in a spoonful of sugar. 1 spoonful of sugar. And then lots of the recipes I advised were talking about replacing cream. So they suggested to use this coconut milk cream substitute, basically. So the creamy bit off the top of a can. So I don't know if you can see, but that's all the lumps. And there we have it. Mmm. So to finish off, we're going to do another sprinkle. Oh my goodness, I've lost the nutmeg. I think I might not put any more nutmeg. Okay, let's taste it. So, Ben's tried it.
He hated it.
He cried.
Yeah,
Let's try then. Cheers. It's nice.
It tastes a little bit like porridge because I feel like there are oats in it, but
I can assure you there's no oats in it.
Still I would give it
A 10?
Yes, and you don't normally get that from me. So.
Should I make it again?
Probably. Also, please do copy this recipe. I bet your children or your family would love it.
Even though it tastes like porridge?
Yes, it does. It does taste like our porridge. If you don't think it tastes like your porridge, it's probably because we eat a different porridge.
Okay. So there we have it. I'm not sure it was an entire success, but we have made vegan eggless eggnog. If you try it, and I'll leave the recipe down below, do let me know what you think. See you tomorrow. Bye.